The Midland M-Mini, which is so tiny it hardly fits on my camera remote. Let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Okay, I'm all ready for your test. So channel change is solely on the microphone. The microphone's permanently wired in.
Tango 21, just coming to the end of the lane.
Tango 21 loud and clear. So the switch there switches between the UK and the EU band in this case. We've got the squelch setting, which of course if you're using his mobile would be very, very annoying because it doesn't have a real squelch control. RF gain, which is again menu driven. The emergency button runs through 919 and then back to your channel, and you've got a socket there to put a Bluetooth accessory into.
Right, just passing Ancaster service station.
Tango 21 Mr. Chippie, loud and clear at Ancaster service station. So he's now about a mile away. Usual thing, we're going to have him go 6 miles the wrong side of a hill, and we do all these tests the same with the same setup.
Just going through Ancaster Crossroads now.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads, over.
Top of the hill before we descend down into Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21 got you at the top of the hill. That now makes him about 1.5 miles away.
Should be Tango 21. Going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 got you scratchily at Scratchy Corner. Oh, thank you for that. That's nice to hear. So he's right in the opposite side of the hill, right in the bottom there. So of course the signal's going over him.
Passing Wilsford level crossing now.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie got you at Wilsford level crossing. So he's now about 2.5 miles to 3 away from us, so he's still the wrong side of that hill. He's in quite a deep cutting, and he's round yet another corner, and there's trees either side of the road. So this is why we go in this direction.
Tango 21 just passing Shelby turn. Over.
Tango 21 got you at the Kelby turnoff. Now some of the newer sets, that defeats them. Tango 21 Mr. Chippie got you turn for Greyleys. That's moved it off my remote. Tango 21 got you at the level crossing for Rawsby, so that concludes the test. Right, I'll see you back at Tango Towers. So, on the test set we didn't get more than 0.7 of a microvolt because of internally generated noise. Now comparing that to the old Rotel 230 we did the week before, we got that to 0.15 of a microvolt because it doesn't generate internal noise. So you know, you've got these menu driven things which are generating noise, so that does limit the range, but in this test that's worked very well. What I'm going to do, and we've never done this before, when Mr. Chippie comes back here, I'm going to get him into this position where I am, and I'm going to take the camcorder handheld and I'm going to go into the living room where I've got a base station at home. We've got kind of workshops attached to the building here, and I'm going to just see how it sounds. We'll just record how it sounds on the base station, which is a Harrier CBHQ.
This should be 10 out of 21 on the Midland M-Mini. How are you receiving?
That's loud and clear, thank you. Yeah, so he's right, it does sound very clear. So my only disappointment was the receive is hampered by internally generated noise, so we couldn't get better than 0.7 microvolts. But in that test it didn't drop out at any point in the 6 miles, so it worked alright. I wouldn't want one in the car because of the digital squelch. But there you have it, the Midland M-Mini.